Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will show how to define layer in Cadence software. So first you open Cadence, tool, work tool and new. Here some function are missing, so we can press Alt and V for restore. So restore toolbar, OK, close it and open once again. 1 and 2. So missing function like file edit is now available on display. So first we arrange it at proper place. So first we import Gerber. So file, import wizard. Now we set path of Gerber. Here we input 3 Gerber. First, second and third. Now for layer name, here some layer like top copper, bottom copper, top mask, bottom mask, top silk, bottom silk. So here is one option for layer. So set of layers. So press on it. So we see 1503. It's a part number, and C01, L01, L02, M01. It's layer type. Like C01 is copper top layer. So first we click on this layer, and after it we press enter. So we now show them a layer and we want to select one. So this is top layer, so we press on top. So now this is top layer type in type. Like here, click, enter and select layer is L02 yani silk layer, and its bottom layer because here in last 2. So it's bottom silk bottom. Click, enter, and M01 mean mask top layer, mask top is mask top. So now we press on OK. So here is our layer, top copper, bottom silk and top mask, and this is layer. And F mean place and D mean draw. So first we show F and D. Here this is place type. Place it's a symbol like a round, square, octagonal, hexagonal, and D mean draw mean line. If I am select it, and we set color all of this. Click, and if you want the place, all place are in green color, then we click on green. So all place are in green, and draw for draw color, click and press one sky blue. So this is place and draw. So this is copper layer, mask layer and silk layer. And for the drill layer or NC layer, first I am import file, import NC drill. So we don't need to define drill layer because it is by default in NC layer. So for shortcut of layer setup, we press Y. So it's already defined NC layer. Okay, thank you.